A wooden garden bridge instantly changes how a pond feels. Even the smallest bridge adds a sense of purpose to the landscape, creating a natural pathway that draws you toward the water. It becomes both a visual feature and a functional element, giving your garden depth, structure, and a focal point without overwhelming the space. Wood is especially effective here because it blends seamlessly with greenery, flowing water, and natural stones. A wooden bridge never looks out of place in a garden. It feels like it belongs there. What makes wooden pond bridges so appealing is the way they invite movement. When you see one, your instinct is to walk across it, pause in the middle, and look down at the water. That moment, standing above the pond, watching fish move below, or hearing the subtle sound of water, adds life to the garden experience. It transforms the pond from something you observe at a distance into something you interact with. Even a short bridge that spans just a tiny patch of water can create that effect. The beauty of wooden bridges is that they don't need to be large or complicated. A simple low arch or straightway walk is often enough. In many gardens, the bridges become more of a quiet visual accent than a dramatic statement. It frames the font, guides your eye across the landscape, and links different areas of the yard in a gentle way. Because wood is such a calming material, the bridge never feels imposing. It enhances the space without shouting for attention. Different types of wood create different moods. Light-toned woods give the bridge a natural, airy appearance that blends effortlessly with plants and open spaces. Darker woods add contrast, creating a richer look around the water features. Over time, wood exposed to the outdoors develops a subtle patina. This natural weathering often makes the bridge look even more charming, softening its appearance and helping it settle into its surroundings. One of the practical strengths of wooden pond bridges is how adaptable they are. You can use them in small gardens, large landscapes, narrow corners, or wide open spaces. A bridge can connect two sides of a pond, span a dry rock bed, or simply act as a decorative feature, leading nowhere, just adding interest and dimension. Because the structure is narrow and elevated, it is ideal for making a garden feel layered. The different levels create visual depth that would be hard to achieve with flat ground alone. A wooden pond bridge also adds rhythm to the garden. It creates a point where space opens up slightly, where you pause as you move. For people designing gardens, this is a powerful element. Gardens aren't just collections of plants, they're experiences. A bridge helps shape that experience by creating a moment that is different from the rest of the path. A moment below water with a wider view surrounded by nature. Lighting can play a significant role as well. In the evening, subtle lighting near a wooden bridge makes the entire pond area come alive. The soft glow reflecting off the wood, The shadows cast across the water and the gentle illumination of plants create an atmosphere that feels almost magical. Even a few small ground lights or lantern-style fixtures are enough to highlight the bridge's shape without overpowering the garden. A wooden pond bridge can also anchor other landscape elements. Plants placed around the ends of the bridge can create a natural frame. Stones, gravel, or stepping paths can lead toward it, making the approach feel intentional. Water lilies, tall reeds, or soft ground colors all complement the warmth of wood. The bridge becomes a link between textures, water, stone, plants, and timber, helping them all feel cohesive. A wooden bridge over the pond gives the garden a sense of place. It makes the pond feel like a destination instead of just another feature in the yard. The bridge connects different parts of the landscape, leading you from one view to the next. It helps turn the garden into a space you move through, not just one you look at. And because wood feels so natural in an outdoor setting, the bridge blends into the environment effortlessly. Ultimately, a wooden garden pond bridge is a simple structure with a surprisingly big impact. It elevates the look of the garden, creates meaningful movement through the space, and offers a quiet place to pause. A small moment of escape right in your backyard. So until next time, happy decorating.